warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope all of us healthy and full of happiness. With me, Mrs. Srika Luciana, we will learn and enjoy your study time together. Are you ready? Now we are in chapter 3. Learning objective. Knowledge. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to analyze some suggestion based on situation. Skill. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to write some suggestion based on situation. Building knowledge of the field. Student, watch the video about suggestion through WhatsApp group. We will learn giving suggestion and the modal auxiliary should. Do you know what suggestion is? Suggestion can be a solution, advice, or an idea. The expression of giving suggestion are used when someone gives a suggestion that is being asked about something. And now, let's watch the video of giving and asking suggestion.
Giving advice with should and shouldn't.
I'm tired.
I think you should go to bed. I think you should go to bed. You shouldn't go to the cinema. You shouldn't go to the cinema.
I have a toothache.
You should go to the dentist. You should go to the dentist. You shouldn't eat sweets. You shouldn't eat sweets.
I'm too fat.
You shouldn't eat cookies and sweets. You shouldn't eat cookies and sweets. You should eat more fruits and vegetables. You should eat more fruits and vegetables. You shouldn't drink soda. You should drink water. You shouldn't drink soda. You should drink water.
Giving advice with should. Shouldn't. Why don't you? You'd better. And if I were you, I would.
I'm tired.
I think you should go to bed. You'd better go to bed. If I were you, I'd go to bed. Why don't you go to bed? I think you shouldn't go to the cinema. You'd better not go to the cinema. If I were you, I wouldn't go to the cinema.
I have a fever.
You should take some aspirin. You'd better take some aspirin. If I were you, I'd take some aspirin. Why don't you take some aspirin? You shouldn't go to school. You'd better not go to school. If I were you, I wouldn't go to school.
Another example of asking and giving suggestion. Benny, we have English examination tomorrow morning. Do you have any suggestion? Yes, we should study together tonight, Andy. Asking and giving suggestion. Anna, I have a problem in this class. I sit in the background. I cannot see your writing on the blackboard. Any idea? I suggest you sit in the front seat. So, asking and giving suggestion. Asking suggestion. Do you have any suggestion for me? Will you give any suggestion for me? Any idea? And giving suggestion, you should, you need, or ought to. I would like to suggest that. Another example in polite, asking suggestion. What do you think? I can get something nice? Can you tell me what happened? And giving suggestion, it's better for you. You must. It will be a good idea to see. I suggest that you. I recommend that you. And I strongly advise you to. So students, that's all our material today about asking and giving suggestion. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.